Thanks, John. Hello again. Lake Windermere is very familiar territory to me, having grown up in the Lake District. I was actually out on the lake most weekends, particularly in the summer. But of course the lakes, well, they've got a reputation for being rather damp, shall we say. And it's difficult to deny that when you've got the wettest place in England in the midst. Seathwaite, 3 metres or more of rain in the average year. That's partly a function of the mountains, though, which tend to create their own weather. Head just a little bit further across to Windermere and they only get half as much rain in a typical year. And in fact, that's often the case in the lakes. If it's raining in one part, head a little bit further down the road and you'll often find some dry weather. All that rain, though, feeds down into the lakes, of course, and Windermere no exception. In fact, in 1898, October, we saw a 2-metre rise, 7 feet in the level of the lake, causing flooding. Big area of water, though, takes some freezing, but it certainly happened in the winter of 1963, that notorious winter, of course. A very rare occasion, the lake completely froze over. Mind you, we were in the grip of winter just a week ago with blizzards across northern Scotland, temperatures barely above freezing in most places. Yesterday, 15 degrees in some very pleasant spring sunshine. So one heck of a change in the space of just a week. And we're going to stay with that mild weather through the week ahead as well. Maybe not the dizzy heights we've seen over the last day or two, but certainly I think in any brighter spells we're going to see temperatures getting up into the mid, possibly the high teens. And we are actually seeing some pretty high temperatures again today. West Wales, where we've had sunshine from the word go, temperatures reaching 21 Celsius this afternoon. That's around 70 Fahrenheit. Western parts of England too, enjoying some pleasant sunny weather, pretty warm across Northern Ireland and the northwest of Scotland, but rather different down that east coast. 9 to 12 degrees is the best you can hope for this afternoon, partly because we've got a wind coming in off the cold North Sea, but also because of that grey cloud that's affecting all those eastern areas through today. Struggling to clear from the Midlands as well, but I'm hopeful across East Anglia and the southeast of England we should see a little bit more in the way of brightness as the afternoon goes on. Quite a bit of cloud around for most of us during tonight, and then later in the night that cloud's going to thicken up enough to give some fairly heavy rain across Northern Ireland, so quite a change for western areas tomorrow. A lot more cloud around, outbreaks of rain, heavy at times across Northern Ireland, fringing into western Scotland, eventually into western parts of England and Wales. But a very different day for eastern areas as well. With more of a southerly wind, we're going to see brighter skies coming in. Aberdeen may be still the exception, but certainly North Sea coast of England a lot warmer than they have been during today. And then that rain all starts to move through during Monday night and into Tuesday. Particularly heavy rain, I think, around this area of low pressure and some strong winds for a time as well. But it all gradually pushes away as we go into Tuesday. Taking some time, mind you, to clear from southeastern parts, I think, and across the northwest of Scotland and Northern Ireland. Could see some rain lingering on, those gales so gradually easing down through the day. And as you can see, in the brighter spells, again, we're seeing those temperatures very much higher than the average for this time of the year. You're looking at 10 or 12 degrees normally, but 15 or 16 certainly feasible where the sun comes through. Similar sort of temperatures into the middle part of the week. And Wednesday, looking a reasonable day, I think, if you're looking for some dry weather at the moment. There will be some sunshine. In the sunshine, 17, possibly 18 degrees is certainly a possibility. Now, the pattern for the rest of the week is this. Low pressure over the central Atlantic, throwing very mild air, but also weather fronts our way. So we're going to see a sequence of weather fronts moving through. A bit of doubt about the timing, though. That's the only problem. So we'll see bands of cloud and rain moving through, followed by drier, brighter weather in between. I think the timing on those could change between now and then. But overall, a mild week and just a little bit of rain for most of us. That's it. Now back to Charlotte in the lake.